Good morning, dear students. I welcome all of you in my class. Let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic is revisiting irrational number. Exercise 1.3 today I am going to teach you. Okay, exercise 1.3 I am going to teach you today. First of all, I am recalling number irrational numbers which cannot be written in the form p by q where q not equal to 0. P and q are some integers. For example, under root 2, under root 3, under root 15, pi, minus root 2 by root 3, 0.10010010111, all are these types of number are, we already know these are irrational numbers. Now in this exercise 1.3, before we prove under root 2, under root 3, under root 5 and 5 minus root 3, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number, we need the following concepts to be clear first. Okay, I am writing here basic concepts which I am going to use in this exercise to prove my theorems. Commit to memory. These points must be added into your commit to memory. First concept is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which I taught you earlier in exercise 1.2. I am revising again. Every composite number can be factorized as a product of primes. For example, 6 is a composite number. It can be factorized into 2 multiplied by 3. Second is rational number, the number which can be written in the form p by q where q not equal to 0. And irrational number which cannot be written in the form p by q. Rational numbers which can be written in the form p by q. Focus on this point, okay? Third one is co-prime. When two numbers do not have any common factor other than 1. For example, 3 by 5, 1 by 7, 2 by 9. In these numbers, no common factor other than 1 because 1 is a factor of every number, you know. The proof of irrational number is based on a technique called proof by contradiction, which I am going to use in my exercise 1.3. These three concepts make first clear in your mind, then you will able to do exercise 1.3 very easily. Okay, let's start. I am explaining you three basic concepts for this exercise. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which I was taught you earlier in exercise 1.2. Rational numbers and co-primes. Focus on co-prime. When two numbers do not have any common factor other than 1. It's clear? Let's start exercise 1.3. Problems in this exercise, problem based on irrationality of numbers. In this exercise, we are going to deal with the problem based on irrationality of numbers. Theorem 1.4, under root 2 is irrational. In this theorem, we have to prove under root 2 is irrational. With the help of technique, proof by contradiction, we are going to prove this theorem under root 2 is irrational number. Let under root 2 is rational. We suppose a different because in this theorem we have to prove under root 2 is irrational. So by the technique proof by contradiction, we assume under root 2 is rational. By the definition of rational number, under root 2 is p by q. Suppose p and q have some common factor other than 1. Then by dividing with the common factor to get under root 2 is equal to a and b. Here a and b is co-prime. You know, co-prime numbers are those numbers which only have 1 as a common factor. I explained you earlier. Okay. I am explaining you on paper also how I am taking this number as a co-prime number. See, if I have one number like this, 2 by 8, okay, in which 2 is a common factor. After cancelling, I get 4. This number is co-prime because in this number there is no other common factor than 1. Okay. Now go to the next step, squaring both sides. Under root 2 square is equal to a plus b whole square. I am getting 2 is equal to a square by b square. By interchanging the value, b square is equal to a square by 2. It means 2 divides a square. Therefore 2 is a factor of a. Okay. Now put a is 2c. Now put a is 2c in value for equation number 1. A 2c. By getting whole square, I am getting 4c square. After cancelling, b square is equal to 2c square. By putting b square divided by 2, 2 divides b square. Therefore, 2 is a factor of b. In this theorem, I am going to prove under root 2 is irrational by technique of contradiction method. Here, 2 is a factor of a and 2 is a factor of b. Therefore, a and b have at least 2 as a common factor. But a and b are co-primes. By the definition of co-prime, when two numbers do not have any common factor other than 1. But here in this theorem, I am getting 2 as a common factor. But a and b are co-primes. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption that under root 2 is rational. So we conclude under root 2 is irrational. This method, I am proving this theorem with the help of proof by contradiction. Okay. For any number, you follow the same procedure for any number, under root 3, under root 5, under root 7, any irrational number. But the point here, when we are dealing with under root 3, we put the value a is 3c. When we dealing with under root 5, we put the value a is 5c. When we dealing under root 7, we put the value a is 7c according to our question. Okay. There are some more questions for you. Under root 3, under root 5, under root 7, under root 11, under root 13, any prime number with a surgical power, we prove in this method. Okay. Now come to the second question of exercise 1.3. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Now it is a combination of rational and irrational number. Now I am telling you how you deal with this problem. Let us assume 2 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Now if it is rational, put equal to a by b by co-prime step. For this type of number, when it is a combination of rational and irrational number, in these types of sum, we only make a irrational part separate. By using algebra, I am taking 3 to this side, taking LCM, taking 2 on divisional part. I am getting under root 5 is equal to a minus 3b by 2b. But we know that under root 5 is an irrational number. Every prime numbers in a surgical part is always a irrational number. Okay. But we know that under root 5 is irrational number. Therefore, irrational number not equal to rational number. This shows that our assumption is incorrect. What is our assumption? Our assumption is this number is a rational number. So this assumption is our incorrect. So 3 plus 5 root 2 root 5 is a irrational number. Now I am dealing with some more questions like this form. 1 by root 2. The procedure will be the same for this question also. Take it is a rational number, let put equal to co-prime number, taking root part separate. Under root 2 is b by a. We know that under root 2 is irrational number not equal to rational number. This shows our assumption is incorrect. So 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. There are two types of question in this exercise. One is a simple, in which we have to prove this sum like a theorem. Other is a mixed form of rational and irrational number. Mixed form of rational and irrational number is very easy in solutions. Okay. Now I am dealing with the second part, 7 root 5. The method is again same. Okay. Now I am dealing with 6 plus 2 root. The method is again same. 6 plus root 2 is equal to a by b co-prime. Under root 2 I am taking 6 on right hand side. After taking LCM, under root 2 is a minus 6b by b. We know that under root 2 is an irrational number not equal to rational number. This shows that our assumption is incorrect. So 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Your today's work is to complete 1.3 exercise in your fair as my notes. If you face any problem, please text me with your problems. I am always very happy to solve your problem. Thanks. Have a nice day.